Hello everyone, my name is Iswari. Today I'm going to present on how I as a leader will lead my organization during digital transformation. Here, I will discuss about implementation of security system at OCBC Bank Malaysia. What are the opportunities, challenges identified, and how I will help my organization along with the process. The presentation consists of 5 parts, which is introduction, problem identification, appraisal, solution, and finally the conclusion. Okay, let us start about the introduction. OCBC Malaysia Berhad is a subsidiary of OCBC Bank, the longest established Singapore bank. It is one of the Asia's oldest and largest banking group with a presence in 18 countries and regions. It offers a wide range of banking products and services such as deposits, loan, credit cards, insurance, investment, fund transfer, remittance, and more. OCBC Bank Malaysia is the country's second largest financial service group with a total asset of Malaysian ringgit 2.4 billion as of December 31st of December 2018. Next topic, we will move on to the problem identification due to the implementation. Okay, one of the digital transformation OCBC Bank introduced recently is to improve their security system. Not only the operation, but OCBC Bank employs a comprehensive suite of securities measures to protect customer account and personal information, such as two-factor authentication, encryption, fraud monitoring, and use of firewalls. Digital transformation in OCBC Bank Malaysia present a potential benefits such as customer engagement, improved customer service, cost savings, and improved efficiencies. However, a number of challenges when implementing digital transformation will arise. So they are: first, OCBC need to ensure regulatory compliance with the local financial regulations such as Bank Negara Malaysia (BNM), and then second, ensuring sufficient data protection and privacy policy that adhere to local standards such as the PDPA, which is Personal Data Protection Act. The third, OCBC also need to emphasize on educating and training employees on the importance of security and how to implement it effectively. Next topic, we will look into appraisal and what are the ethical and privacy issues arise due to the implementation. The stakeholders involved in digital transformation in OCBC Bank Malaysia includes customers, shareholders, and the employees. According to employees, the implementation of security system, they respond positively to the implementation. People have a greater sense of securities. Customer also may feel appreciated when the personal things are protected by the bank. Next, we will move on to the employees. Employees on the same time also react positively. Employees feel safe and secure when working. However, some of the employees may feel frustrated by an increased security system, as it can add extra step to log in and then process a transaction. Finally, the shareholders. Provide shareholders the implementation with increased confidence in the bank security measures, which may lead to increased investment in the organization. Next topic, we're going to check what is the ethical and privacy issues arise due to the implementation. First, privacy and data protection concerns. Second, misuse of data by unauthorized personnel. Third, unable to provide customer with reliable security when using their services, which will leading to frustration and the potential for financial fraud and identity theft. For example, the use of the biometric security system may raise ethical questions around the implication of collecting biological identifiers and how these will be stored and used. So after we have checked on these problems and solutions and also challenges occurred due to the implementation, so we have decided to use a Levine's change model. The model will be the best to overcome all these problems and the challenges. Levine's change model is a 3-step process for implementing change in organization. The first step, which is unfreezing. Unfreezing, we have to create a sense of urgency, developing a guiding coalition and generating short-term wins. Second step is changing, developing a vision and strategy for the change, create a plan for implementing the change, and provide education and training for those affected by the change. The third step is refreezing phase. Institutionalize the change and ensure that it is accepted and understood by all stakeholders. Monitor the result of the change to identify any further adjustment. On top of this, I as a leader, I also will support the implementation by providing the necessary resources and support needed for this transition. These include having a well-defined digital strategy, setting up a team dedicated to digital transformation project, providing adequate resources in terms of budget, technology, and also personnel. I also must focus on creating a culture of innovation and continuous improvement and provide support for training and educating staff on new technologies and processes. To ensure employees have access to the latest resources and tools, I would recommend establishing a budget for employees to use on online courses. Lastly, it is important to provide employees with the right tools and platform to promote collaboration and foster innovation. I should also be open exploring innovative solutions and creating a work environment that encourages collaboration and also experimentation. I also should create a culture where employees feel empowered to take risks without fear of fail. Finally, I myself as a leader, I should improve my knowledge and skill effectively manage the process by taking classes, workshops, reading books and articles, attending conferences, staying up to date with current trends and technology. I also might be benefited from speaking to an industry expert and networking with other professionals in the digital space. Additionally, I also should gain insight and experience by collaborating with startup and innovators on digital projects. Finally, I believe a good leader equip themselves with the necessary skills and knowledge were able to contribute towards success of the organization.